name is Jonathan Ortiz Vargas. Hello. Apologies for not submit the best and the Skype. I presume John Ortiz is electronic engineer. Studio from in the Bogota. I am 33 years old. I work as maintenance supervisor for one of the SAP companies. My occupation are home, work and student. My family is a night on my mother, on fire, and why? And why is a great support for my sense in motivation met a lot. My Wi-Fi students nursing with light in the Bogota. With the aspiration or achievement professional growth, both on the same team personal. To the update to guide exemplars what with effort. Everything can achieve. Thank you for your attention and apologies for not having intervened by Skype. Excuse me, by pronunciation and learned bytes. Byte. Good morning.